back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, we're back like I never left. Holy hell, it's been so long. Fuck. Not bleeping. I don't give a fuck that much of what YouTube thinks anymore. I've been gone for a minute, right? You know, I've been doing my own thing. We can have a whole story on that if we wish. It's been great. However, I missed you guys. I've been waiting for a video to come back. This mother effer right here was the one to come back. I wasn't gonna come back after a little hiatus being like, this is why I was gone. Y'all don't give a fuck, dude. Well, you should, but you probably don't. You know, we're back with it. What better video? I'm gonna say right now, I'm not even getting paid for this. They sent it over. This is the one where I was like, bro, this is when I tell the boys, hey, what's up? NameBran is here again. Icegiant sent over some fucking diamond grills, boys. We have never owned a full set of those, so that's exciting. Exciting also because this is now pump starting the channel again. I don't give an F about views anymore. Thumbs up, comments is what I really care about, just to know that you guys still care about these videos. That's like the main thing, but the money that comes with this, whatever. We're doing this, we're doing it the way that it should be, for the love, the passion, which is YouTube, that ran through NameBran's veins, got lost a little bit, is now back. Let's freaking go, boys. Alright, long story short, man, we got so much to catch up on, but I'm just go here. First up, no address, package, Icegiant, links down below. Actually, 20% off. I gotta check this, man. I'm so out of the loop on how you do this stuff now, man. We gotta show love to the company that's showing love to us. You feel me? It's just like, sit through it. But we dig this. Alright, 20% off code on what I'm about to unbox. Just for you guys, actually. Brand 20. BRAN 20. That's a damn code. Let's freaking go. Boys, we've been getting diamond grills before. We've had those. Only 2 teeth. Those were real diamond. They cost me a bag though. And when I say a bag, we'll get into that actually, because we gotta compare the two before this. These are Moissanite. I looked it up when they said they're about to send these out. This has been in talks for a long time, bro. So I've been kind of waiting to post for this to come in because that was the Kickstarter. Man, full on Moissanite Grillz. Sorry, I'm getting real into it. Moissanite Grillz. Which will pass a damn diamond tester. Get a diamond tester, tell your girl they're real, you diamond tester, I'll get. We haven't seen them yet though, you know what I mean? So here we have Icegiant box. Diamond grills, we're gonna give them a good old test here, man. Icegiant, you know, I've rocked it. Actually, I freaking forgot, bro. They gave a shirt too. Alright, shirt's on, boys. The quality's fantastic on the shirt. Just not a fit for me, but I'm still rock it anyway. I'm keeping it 100 with you guys, man. But main thing right here, we got the Moissanite Grillz. We're just gonna get into it. I'm not wasting any more time. Boys, let's go. I'm molding my teeth for these. So it took a long time. We was in talks. Takes a little while to get made. Here they are, man. Oh my god. The first ever Moissanite Grillz on the NameBran channel for sure. And then also, damn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 top and bottom. So that's what I thought we agreed to. I couldn't remember. That runs you about under $1,000 on their website if I'm correct. You get the same thing as this. We're gonna compare it to something that ran me around the same price, real diamonds, but only 2 teeth, and silver. So let's see, boys. First off, dude, they look damn straight. Oh, and we also got markings on the back right here. We got the 925. So this is silver, gold plated, or sorry, yeah, white gold plated. Unfreaking real. We're gonna look at the setting, boys. I've always been very curious about Moissanite diamonds on the damn face, you know? You got a girl, let's get a diamond tester if she really cares about money. You're gonna ditch her in 2 weeks, I hope. But, you know, if that's what you gotta do to get your bag in a certain other way, then you diamond test in front of her. I don't promote. But anyway, that's the bottom. I was mainly curious about how they were gonna go with my jagged ass teeth. They did very well. It makes them look very damn straight, which is awesome. I don't know if you guys know, back in when I was a child, regret it completely. I kind of grew up with punk rock and stuff. My dad was doing bands and stuff, so he was always a music guy. I saw Sex Pistols with the broken up teeth. I chewed Jawbreakers to break my teeth to make myself look like them, you know? So hopefully these girls fix that, is what I'm saying. But looking at the setting, boys, I'm not gonna lie, I cut off camera a little bit there, and I did look. I love the setting. I think they're freaking awesome. We gotta try them on. So they're under $1,000 for these, bro. See if the money's worth it. Holy shit. I don't know why I'm surprised. I shouldn't be First one in, bro. It's a monumental time. And it looks great. My teeth have never been straighter. Let's go. We're putting in the bottoms. Let's check the speech. Speech, we're gonna have to figure that out, but maybe I'd sound a little cooler, you know what I mean? Damn. I might even wear this out tonight. I'm wearing this out tonight. I'm gonna test my speech the whole time editing this. I'm just gonna be talking to myself, you know? Understand that I have a list, but I gotta get over that, you know? We got humps in life we gotta get over. My massive hump in life right now is getting over the list with my new Diamond Grillz. Do I wear them at my age? Should I be wearing them at my age? Yes. Look at that shit. Look at the glisten. We're gonna diamond test too, make sure they're actually moissanite, but. So that's the real ones I got. I got the NameBran discount, they called it. I don't know if it actually was, I didn't fact check. It was $700 for these two. Silver, real diamonds. Wild. Get the whole damn set, bro. Damn. Icegiant's really doing this, bro. Sorry, I didn't click the bottom ones in enough. Yeah. Holy shit. Let's go! Stoked, diamond tester engaged. I mean, link down below, NameBran 20 already if you want 20% off. I ain't trying to sell you. I just thought this would be dope to come back on. Let's fucking go. Alright, so there's the thoughts there. Links down below, by the way. I don't know if I said that. Links down below, Icegiant. We always appreciate you, always. Now we got the diamond tester. It's been ages since we brought this motherfricker out. Let's yeah, alright. We're gonna compare to the real ones. Real? Alright, now we're going with these, man. We're going with the top teeth. Once again, another look. Set beautifully, in my opinion. Definitely for the cost, in my opinion. You know? Shaky hand brand still back in action. Let me not get that happening. You know what doesn't help, bro? I broke the, like, part of the tip off this, so, like, I'm really not working with much of a tip here. I think I threw it at a wall. There we go. Moissanite Grillz. We already knew. They ain't gonna lie to us. I'm not gonna lie to you. So, the Moissanite Grillz. Wild. Would you guys buy? Like, actually. And should I wear them? Actually. Like, I'm really more curious about that. Because I care what you think mostly. Damn. I gotta start practicing, bro. Icegiant. Amazing idea. Amazing idea. I'm trying to think in my head, what's the idea? Let's get moissanite diamonds on our thing in grill form and sell them at, in my mind, with this one, a considerably better price. I'm gonna buy these all day. Or at least keep the bottom in. Like, I think that was probably how I'd rock it, as opposed to just the two, you know what I mean? I think this is the way I would go if I'm gonna wear these. Two is a little heavy for me, % honest. 100%, yeah. This is the way I would do it. Wow. Anyway. That's it. I got so many story time videos to tell you guys, or whatever the hell you want from here, man. Love y'all. It's just been great to be back. Hopefully this is one that you guys like kind of click on and dig 100% and just understand, you know. NameBran's not dead. Yet. Let's go. Icegiant, appreciate you. Links down below, NameBran 20. Let's freaking go, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. Never looked so hot. Peace. See you guys later. I don't know.